What can I say about Brian? That he was the perfect guy. That he knew how to love me. That he trusted me to love him back. And that I couldn't. Every voice inside told you to turn around. God, I wish I had turned around. Never thought I would be doing this again. Here I am. Single and ready to mingle.
I can't believe Todd tagged me on Facebook. I'm gonna fucking kill him.
It's like everyone from my gym is here in different clothes.
I don't want to be single and ready to mingle.
Alright, my mom knows where I am now. Perfect.
I heard that wearing a cock ring makes you horny. It really is just pulling my pubic hair.
Let's see, who has the lowest self-esteem in here? Maybe I can get them to suck my dick in the bathroom.
Oh, what the hell am I doing here with all of these losers? Let's do it. Let's do it, West Hollywood. I got Botox. Let's do it.
Everybody fights, especially when they're drunk.
Oh my god, I cannot believe I am here sober. Oh my god, it's great. That's good, I can do this, I'm happy.
Nobody's looking at me. Those white people don't want the Asians around. Fuck you.
What's with all the Hispasians? Just pick a team, the rest of us did.
Oh great, another techno beat. I love techno. So unique.
Look at my abs, man. Yeah, don't you want to fuck these? Yes.
I'm pretty sure tonight, Steve's gonna pop the question.
I'm pretty sure tonight will be the night that we have a five-way.
Maybe that's what I need. Maybe I need to just get laid. Some just dirty, random, anonymous, just, oh my god. There's Brian.
That's right, shake that ass, you dirty little motherfucker.
Well, sure, he worked out his body. He hasn't worked out his issues yet.
Oh, I hate couples. If you're a couple, why are you here?
No, but I'm happy. I'm happy I can do this. Day one. This is great. God, I want to drink. I swear to God, the years go by, and this place does not change.
Oh, I think I just made eye contact. I definitely made eye contact. It's some real misconnection material.
I'm sure this West Hollywood orgy is what the Stonewall uprisers fought for.
You're such a coward. Just go over to him and say you're sorry. You are sorry.
Look at these people pining over that go-go boy like he's some sort of god. If people were putting money in my shorts, I would smile.
You know, he's cute, but not worth a five.
I shouldn't be here. I should be at home writing a list for Trader Joe's. Milk. Persian cucumbers. It's a better bargain than that English cucumber. And tea bags. Oh, jasmine rice. Oh, black licorice.
Giant sea of worked out hopelessness. What about what I need? Oh my god, I'm Effie. I'm fucking Effie from Dreamgirls.
If just for 1 second you could stop being a coward, maybe you could go apologize.
I definitely want to watch that guy go at Austin really hard and deep.
Even though this place is kind of a shithole, it's the most romantic 3-month anniversary I've ever had.
Oh god, that guy's looking at me and he recognized me from the bathhouse.
Obviously nobody's working the door tonight. I mean, this is like an indoor swap meet.
It's like all the guys who ignore me at my gym are now ignoring me here.
I shouldn't be here. I'm too old, I'm too fat, and all these queens have done my hair.
Here we go. Look at me, I'm gay, but I'm also a Republican. Fuck you.
Asians always look so lonely. Must be all that studying.
Maybe he moved on.
You know, it's like this is well it always
I just want to be around them more. Positive for her.
God, do you think he's here looking for someone else?
Despite the noise, can we find something real? Despite the noise, can we find something real?
Despite the noise, can we find something real? Despite the noise, can we find something real?
Despite the noise, can we find something real?
Despite the noise, can we find something real?
Despite the noise, noise, can we find something real?
Despite the noise, can we find something real? Despite the noise, can we find something real? Despite the noise, can we find something real?
Despite the noise, can we find something real? Despite the noise, can we find something?
This guy's cute. That guy's hot. This guy's into me.
That guy's not.
What are we doing?
Numbing the pain.
Going through the motions.
This is insane. What's your name?
What's up with you?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What are you into?
Do you need a drink?
Let's get out of here. What do you think? This is the game. This is the dance. Talking your way into somebody's pants. Why do we come here? It's always the same. Hooking up with strangers. This is the game.
I'm not gay.
That's cool with me, but I'm really drunk.
Good, I have to pee.
I don't talk.
Yeah, we know.
I can't host.
Where should we go? This is the game. This is the dance. Looking for action, not for romance. Fucking some guy and forgetting his name. Hooking up with strangers. This is the game. This is the game. This is the dance. Creatures of habit, caught in a trance. Scrubbing and grinding without any shame. Thinking with our dicks now. This is the game. Thinking with our dicks now. Thinking with our dicks now. Thinking with our dicks now. Thinking with our dicks now.
Despite the noise, can we find something real?
Despite the noise, can we find something?
Despite the noise, can we find some